Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on my quick 5-minute makeup routine. This is for a lot of you guys who've been asking me, Jen, I don't have time in the morning to do like a 10-step routine. I don't have time for skincare. I don't have time for makeup. What can I do? I'm gonna put a timer on. This is going to be real time. I'll probably not talk too much because I'll be concentrating, but if you want to see how it's done, just keep watching. Chiutips. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jen. I post new videos every week, so if you want to see makeup tips, skincare hacks, anything that has to do with that, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Are you guys ready? Let's get started and do this 5-minute quick makeup routine. Here's my iPhone. 5 minutes. Let's see if we can do this. First things up is eyebrows because that takes the longest time for me, and I love using the Fenty Beauty one. I like to do very just natural brows, especially if I'm just going to go run errands. Nothing too crazy. And the texture of this is just so nice. It also has a brush on the other end. Alright, not bad. Eyebrows just take such a long time. You know what I mean? Focus, Jen, focus. These little mirrors also really help. Okay, 1 minute down. Oh, I'm getting stressed. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. I just do a little flicks in the front to make it look a little bit more natural. Alright. Okay, skin's looking good, eyebrows looking good. I'm going to use the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I'm just going to dab this all over the cheeks. This is a really good moisturizer to use, and I love it. And it gives your skin that extra little bit of glow if you don't have like a moisturizer or something around. This is a really good one. Just put it all over my face. Then I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation. Oh my god, this thing is so amazing. And this blender brush, I don't know where it's from, but if you guys know, I think it's Laura Mercier, but I'm not sure. I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to apply this all over the cheeks. Face, mouth, nose, lids, forehead. And I don't like to put a lot of foundation on, as you guys know that. I'm not very big on cakey foundation at all. Oh my gosh, we were 2.5 minutes. Okay. That is almost good for me. Just a little bit here and there. Then I'm going to add a little bit of concealer. This is the Maybelline Superstay. Amazing concealer. Just a tiny bit. Using this blender brush. Honestly, this is almost as good as the Beauty Blender. This is such a good blending brush. Because it's got a slanted edge. Woo! Love it. Alright, okay, we're down to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to use the Sugar Ball Cushion Cheek Color. This is a cream color using the opposite side of my blush. I'm just going to lightly dab this on. Alright, 1 minute and 40 seconds. What? Can we do this, you guys? I have a feeling we can. Easy. Okay. Rosy, looking natural. Looking cute. And then I'm going to go in with my EOS lip balm, of course. I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Makeup Lipstick Rouge Signature. I love this lipstick. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, 1 minute left. Done. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of mascara. Do we have time? 50 seconds. Okay. There. There. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, where's my mascara? Okay, the Covergirl Uncensored mascara. This stuff is amazing. Keeps your lashes up all day. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're at 20 seconds left. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put a little bit of this Milk makeup highlight on the cheeks. And we have 16 seconds left. Okay, can we do it? Can we do it? Is it looking good? And we're done. Oh my god, 2, 1. There is the timer. That is my 5-minute makeup routine. So here is the final look. This is 5 minutes flat from start to finish. I had no makeup. This is real time. And I really liked how this came out. As you guys know, my looks are very natural and very skin focused, glowing. So if you're into lots of cakey makeup or you like lots of makeup, 5 minutes is probably pretty close and you might not get too much done. But if you like a natural glowing face, 5 minutes is really all you need. You just need to be kind of focused and know exactly where everything is, and just make sure you have the things that you use every single day that are your essentials, and you can be out the door in 5 minutes, no problem. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in every week. It means the world to me. If you haven't done it already, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.